Hello, my name is Flavia. I'm a first officer in Etihad Airways, and today I'm going to show you a little bit of our routine before the flights. So before each flight deck crew, we have to do an exterior walk around, exterior inspection to make sure the airplane is safe for the flight. We check that there is no damage on the fuselage. We look for any signs of leakage. Make sure that all the access doors are closed. It's very important to check the tires as well, the condition of the tires and the brake pad. Make sure that everything is fine and safe for our flight. Check everything. So